and welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how I transformed this fireplace space that we have in our townhome. As you can see, it's just really bland. It needs some spicing up. So to do that, I'm going to be using some adhesive wallpaper and my washi tape shiplap look. So let's get started. All right, so to get started, I'm going to be using this peel and stick wallpaper. It is called Tulip Garden. I picked it up from Walmart. It was like $16, really super inexpensive. I'm telling you, I'm gonna leave the link down below because if you try to purchase this off of Amazon or any of the other wallpaper sites, this is literally gonna cost you about $50 for one roll. So I will leave that link down below if you're interested in this same wallpaper. All right, so to get started, I'm just going to unroll the wallpaper and I'm gonna start on the left side of my fireplace and I'm gonna make sure that I get it as close to the top as possible. And then I'm just gonna take my box cutter and I'm going to cut off the excess paper that I don't need. And let me tell you, this wallpaper is super easy to cut. All right, so now I'm just going to kind of straighten out my edge here. Like I said, this paper is super easy to cut. So literally your razor is just going to glide straight down. So I'm just going to straighten up this side of the wallpaper. Now I'm just going to prep the area so that I can add the adhesive wallpaper. And I'm going to say this, you really wanna make sure that you clean off your surface before you add the paper so that it will stick nicely. All right, so now I'm gonna start to just peel off the top portion of the wallpaper and I'm gonna be using my ID to help remove the bubbles. And again, I'm gonna make sure I start at the very top of my fireplace and then I'm going to work my way down. And now I'm going to start to do that same thing on the opposite side. Sorry, the footage is scary crazy. I don't know what is going on with my color. It was just super dark, I guess. But yeah, I'm going to do that same thing again, making sure it's nice and lined up on my sides at the top. And then I'm going to take my box cutter and I'm going to cut off what I don't need and then clean off the area and stick the wallpaper on the fireplace. So now I'm going to take this piece because it got ripped off in the process and I'm going to add it back to the portion that it came from, which this is super easy. Again, this wallpaper is super easy to work with, so I would highly recommend using this wallpaper. So basically I'm just going to take it off and stick it back where it needs to be, and that's it. All right, so now I'm gonna take my box cutter and I'm gonna start to cut off any of the excess pieces of wallpaper that I don't need from this side of my fireplace. And I'm also gonna do that same exact thing to the opposite side. All right, then again, up here at the top, a little piece is missing, so I just matched it. And again, like I said, this is just showing you how easy it is to use this wallpaper. So I'm just gonna add it there and then I'm just removing what I don't need. So now I'm going to start to work on this middle portion here, and all I'm going to do is make sure that I am lining this up to where it matches my petal on the left side. And once you figure out how that is going to match up, the rest of it will match itself up to the other side. So that is what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to take off what I don't need and add this piece to the middle. right, so the moment you've been waiting for, it is the reveal. I absolutely love how this turned out. Super cute. Lots more character involved. I did not show me adding the tape to the top little framed out portion, but if you haven't watched the video, I do have a video on how to add this tape to your walls. So if you're new, make sure you check out the description so you can see how to do it. I also have the tape that I used linked below, as well as the wallpaper that I used for the fireplace part. But all in all, I love how this turned out. It's a super quick and easy DIY to do to just transform this fireplace area. So if you like this video, as always, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next one.